We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Somervell County, western Johnson County, and east central Hood County until 10:30. A severe thunderstorm is located near Glen Rose, or 14 miles southeast of Granbury, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail affecting Pecan Plantation, Cleburne State Park, Cleburne and Godley by 10, Burleson and Joshua by 10:05. The storm southwest of the DFW area could be into Tarrant County within the next 45 minutes. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Somervell, western Johnson, and east central Hood counties until 10:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.